What do they do?
Does the top need to be completely enclosed?
Nope, it can be open.
Okay.
It can be closed.
You put it in your hat. Good work.
Oh, okay. Wow. Ready to get back.
I'm ready.
What happened?
Nothing.
Amanda gas.
Amanda's a screamer.
3. Wait a minute, he's gonna put a bunch in there, isn't he? 2. Don't do anything. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Oh, I've got to protect it here. 1. Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right, wait. More paper.
She's got it. You got it, Jude. 2 more pieces.
I don't know. One more. That's it.
One more.
Right to the other one. Woo! Great teamwork.
I'm gonna get some.
Excellent.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
The flowers.
Oh, wow.
So nice.
Wow. I feel like I've